This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by taking concrete inventory and protecting originals. This prevents irreversible loss. First, back up every file one in record checksums, because later you must verify integrity. Next, run a quick metadata dump with EXIF tool to see obvious fields, dates, camera ID, and GPS. Once done, note inconsistent patterns, time zones, missing artist fields, or mixed codecs so you know where to focus. Make sure to install FFmpeg for audio/video edits and a CSV-capable tool for batch changes. You now perform the detailed edits with attention to structure and provenance. Begin by mapping each desired field to its exact metadata tag, date versus date time original, creator versus artist, because mismapping creates inconsistencies. For images, use EXIF tool to write tags. For video or audio, export, edit metadata, then remux with FFmpeg to retain quality. Once done, batch changes via a CSV to apply consistent values across many files. Preview a small subset first to confirm formats. You finish by validating every change and creating an audit trail, because transparency prevents future confusion. Rerun EXIF tool dumps and compare them to your original inventory. Check checksums and confirm intended fields updated. Normalize timestamps and character encodings, and remove accidental duplicate tags. Once done, save a changelog that records who changed what and which tool versions you used. If something goes wrong, revert from the backup immediately, then isolate one file to reproduce and fix the issue before batch reapplying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.